go hear it again, Kurt. So they think it's. Dude, that's not bottom end. That's a pulley, man. Take the belt off. Take the belt off, it'll go away. Yes, it will. That's an accessory noise. I know my 3.6 printer star. I'm the king of them.
It does sound a little higher than bottom end.
Let's get that, take this belt off right quick. Flex plate? No, they make a different noise.
There's something squeaking, but it sounds like it's up here in the valve cover.
It's simple, guys. Take the belt off.
It ain't a belt.
No, it's not a belt, but it's something that the belt's running. It's easy to find out.
Like it's up in the valve cover,
no, guys. Y'all looking up engines and all that shit. Take the belt off.
No,
it's not a lifter. Get the hell out of here. Where's the 3/8 hand ratchet at? 3/8 ratchet at? Just take this tensioner down, take the belt off. So, where's your 3/8 hand ratchet? We're gonna take the belt off. I got a bet with these guys. I'm finna show them who's the skillets. A 3/8, just a ratchet.
He thinks if you take the belt off, it's gonna go away.
It's gonna go away. That's because it's not bottom end.
it doesn't sound like bottom.
No, I got it set.
It does sound a little higher. I'll give him that.
It does sound like what?
A little higher than bottom.
Reluctantly,
Reluctantly?
crouch at the starting line. Engine knocking. And something in time.
Hey, I don't know. You're gonna get an angle with that, Kurt.
Hey, JT.
See,
Yeah.
what you don't understand is I've already heard the lifters,
JT.
and it's got 180,000 miles in it. This motherfucker's getting a goddamn long
Unlock
one.
that plates.
Go unlock the plates.
Yeah, on the. You done a line before, right? Yeah.
No,
Come on, man.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Hit the unlock button on the plate.
JT.
Show me how to hit the
Special-
unlock
special
You
button.
never used the alarm rack or you just break it?
I've never done that shit you talking about. That's why I said a ratchet, Kurt. Cause a ratchet, see, I ain't gonna have no turning anchors. I have to go way over there.
Do it on the ground.
Well, I give you a ratchet.
Yes, please. Hey, Brian, grab this belt. Grab this belt off, Brian. I got that. Is it loose enough to get off?
On the smooth pulley?
Yeah.
It's off.
Huh?
Oh, you want to take it
yeah,
all the way
take the
off?
whole thing off. Oh, we got it, Kurt.
Oh, I can get belts off. Getting belts off isn't the problem normally. It's the
Now
going
that-
back on thing that's a bad.
Hold on. We gotta get this off now. That hole's binding up. You're stupid too, man.
It don't matter. You just take the belt off the fucking crank pulley and you're good.
Oh, that's.
The fucking tools returning it now.
Alright.
Crank it. Start her up. Oh, he's.
How right was JT?
Watch out.
That's the noise right there.
Yep.
Oh, I was wrong.
It does sound like you're in that valve.
Oh, I was wrong.
I guess you're not skilled.
It was an easy try though. I'm not sure there was
Oh yeah, it needs a belt.
See, we didn't take it off for nothing after all.
Oh, well, we did because we're wholesaling this motherfucker.
Wholesaling it.
Yeah. Well, 36, 1500, it has 180,000 miles.
Oh, it did its job. 180K.
Motor. It needs a couple things.
It needs a motor.
Motor.
Why?
I mean,
JT put the belt back on.
No, it was my suggestion to take it off. Joe, stop being messy, man. All right, guys. I think they're gonna wholesale this baby, and that's a good one too. They're gonna wholesale it just because of the noise, and it costs too much to fix the engine. Let's see what this is. We did see it's a 1500 with a 3.6, but what year? 2015. No. Hey man, it's too nice of a truck to wholesale. It is. This is nice. Cranker? What does cranker mean? It's a rotary shifter. That means it has a ZF 8-speed transmission in it. You guessed at that routing, or you just that good?
I'm just that good.
Shut up, man.
I just took it off. I can remember.
All right, guys, stay tuned for the decision. All right, stay tuned. So my buddy did his trans service on his BMW M50. He was over here bragging on the fact that there's no trash. There was no trash in his pan. He only replaced it because it had a seal, a leak right here. So this is ZF 6-speed transmission. Yeah, you can tell they use the same pan design. Look at this, guys. He's bragging on the fact that it's not like if you pull one of ours, it'd be trash everywhere on the magnet, right? There's normal wear and tear, right? But he was bragging on the fact that there was hardly anything in his pan after 100,000 miles. He's just doing a regular service. Look at this fluid. Okay, liquid moly, ATF Top Tech 1800. Remember, this is BMW M50i, I think. So same setup, guys. The filter's integrated into the pan. No big secret there, but this is the box he got to do his transmission service. Remember, everybody don't claim to be Feel for Life. That's only a couple of car corporations are claiming their transmissions are Feel for Life. This is the same people that make this make the transmission Dodge uses, the ZF 8HP transmission and the 9-speed that some corporation, like I say, would claim to be Feel for Life. I'm not sure BMW is that case, but he got it done. This was expensive. I forgot how much he said, but same setup, guys. It just he just did it because something was leaking out right here in the corner, and it was time. So, but he's bragging on the fact that there's no trash in here. Alrighty, okay, buddy. I still would much rather a Chrysler any day. All right, I'm going down this end. All right, guys, so we still getting construction work done at the shop. Let me tell you some of this. Now, a mechanic can never have enough 2x4s, right? So I'm gonna grab, but let me tell you something real useful, guys, that y'all be sleeping on. These pipes like this, you talking about making for a good pry bar. This one right here, I want this one. Oh my goodness, you talking about a hell of a pry bar. Even this thin one, I want this thin one right here. You can put your breaker bar in there. Oh my goodness, I'm keeping these. I'm gonna show y'all what I use these for. On another, coming up, stay tuned. I'm gonna look around because I feel there's some goodies out here that will benefit me. Y'all stay tuned.